Vitex Agnus castus, also called vitex, chase tree or chase tree, chaseberry, Abraham's balm, lilac chase tree, or monk's pepper, is a plant native of the Mediterranean region. It is one of the few temperate zone species of vitex, which is on the whole a genus of tropical and subtropical flowering plants. Vitex is a cross-pollinating plant, but its self-pollination has been recorded. Theophrastus mentioned the shrub several times as Agnus gamma nu omicron. An inquirer into plants, it has been long believed to be an anaphrodisiac, leading to its name as chase tree, but its effectiveness for such action remains unproven. The shrub was utilized for religious rituals in ancient Greece and among the Philistines in modern-day Palestine. Etymology and common names. Vitex, its name in Pliny the Elder, is derived from the Latin vio, meaning to weave or to tie up, a reference to the use of V, Agnus castus, in basketry. Its macaronic specific name Agnus castus repeats, chaste, in both Greek and Latin. The small tree was considered to be sacred to the virginal goddess Hestia Vesta. The most common names are chase tree, Vitex, and monk's pepper. Vitex Agnus castus is widely cultivated in warm, temperate, and subtropical regions for its delicately textured, aromatic foliage and butterfly-attracting midsummer spikes of lavender flowers opening in late summer in cooler climates. It grows to a height of 1 to 5 m, 3 to 16 feet. It requires full sun, though tolerates partial shade, along with well-draining soil. Under ideal conditions, it is hardy to minus 23 degrees Celsius, minus 9 degrees Fahrenheit in colder zones. The plant tends to die back to ground, but as it flowers on new wood, flowering is not affected on vigorous growth in the following season. This plant is a brackish water dweller, indicating that it tolerates salt. Citation needed cold and wet weather results in dieback and losses. The plant grows well on loamy, neutral to alkaline soil. The fruits from one single tree can be harvested for more than 15 years. This indicates that the tree cannot be integrated in a usual crop rotation system. It is suggested to sow dissimilar plants, such as monocots, as its subsequent crop, so that it might be easier to control the monk's pepper plant, the dicot. Because the fruits of monk's pepper tend to fall constantly and uncontrollably, the plant likely can germinate from seed. The overall best yield per hectare reportedly can be achieved if the plant spacing is around 70 centimeters, 28 in. Pruning back the branches in autumn has a positive influence on fruit yield, while repruning in spring can induce an increase of vegetative shoots, thus a fruit yield loss. Uses: medicinal and culinary use. The chase tree, a local shrub known since the Lower Paleolithic for various applications, including as a spice, was also historically valued for medicinal properties, including uses as an aphrodisiac and abortifacient, with further properties suggested by modern studies. The shrub has been used by several ancient Mediterranean cultures. Vitex has been used in traditional medicine for reproductive health issues in women, but only limited high-quality clinical evidence supports its effectiveness. Although it is commonly recommended in Germany, V. Agnus castus should be avoided during pregnancy due to the possibility of complications. Religious use. In ancient Greece, the chase tree played a significant role in the female agricultural festival of Thesmophoria, dedicated to honoring the goddesses Demeter and Persephone in Greek cities. In archaic Sparta, in the 8th to 6th centuries BCE, it was incorporated into the cult of the local agriculture goddess, Artemis Orthia. The 1st century physician Dioscorides documented various synonyms for the lilac chase tree. In the 2nd century CE, Pausanias mentioned that the wooden image of Asclepius in Sparta was crafted from the chase tree. Additionally, there is botanical and textual evidence supporting the significance of the chase tree at the Heraeon of Samos during the 6th to 3rd centuries BCE. In a Philistine temple at Gath, an excavation uncovered around 100 chaste tree fruits, a find unparalleled in both quantity and context compared to other locations in Israel. This suggests their deliberate use in religious practices, possibly in celebration of a goddess related to Hera. Notably, the chaste tree is linked to the binding of Hera, where it featured in rituals celebrating her mythology at Samos. Safety and adverse effects. Adverse effects from Vitex can include nausea, headache, gastrointestinal discomfort, menstrual discomfort, fatigue, and skin disorders. People taking dopamine-related medications or Parkinson's disease medications should avoid using chasteberry. Women on birth control pills, hormone replacement therapy, or having a hormone-sensitive condition, such as breast cancer, are advised not to use chasteberry. Use of Vitex is discouraged for pregnant or breastfeeding women and for children,